Mastering search. Pro tips to find anything online. Finding what you need on the internet can sometimes feel like looking for a needle in a haystack. But with the right techniques, you can search smarter, not harder. Here's your step-by-step guide to mastering the art of online searches. 1. Use specific keywords. Search engines respond best to precise queries. The more specific you are, the more likely you will find relevant results. Instead of searching for cats, try how to care for Siamese cats for more targeted results. 2. Use quotation marks for exact phrases. When you put a phrase in quotation marks, search engines look for the exact string of words, improving the accuracy of your results. Searching for best Italian restaurants in NYC ensures you only see pages with the exact phrase. 3. Use hyphens and plus signs for better results. Hyphens, minus, and plus signs plus allow you to combine or exclude specific terms from your search. Searching for recipes -vegan will show you recipe results excluding vegan dishes. Or use the minus sign to exclude words. If you want to avoid certain topics or results, use the minus sign to exclude words. Searching for apple minus fruit will give you results related to Apple Incorporation instead of the fruit. Perfect for when you are looking for the latest iPhone and not a guide on making apple pie. Unless, of course, you want both. In that case, technology and dessert it is. So please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. 5. Search within a specific website using site. If you want to search only with a specific website or domain, use the site operator. Searching for site bbc.com climate change will show only results from BBC about climate change. 6. Use the asterisk as a wildcard. The asterisk is a wildcard character that fills in any gaps in your search. Searching for best asterisk recipes can give you results for best pasta recipes, cake recipes, or even vegan recipes. 7. Use advanced search options. Most search engines, Google, Bing, etc., offer advanced search features that let you filter results by date, region, file type, and more. On Google, click Settings below the search bar, then select Advanced Search for more options. 8. Leverage search filters and tools. Search engines often have filters to help narrow down results by images, videos, news, or shopping. For example, click on Images for image-specific results or news for the latest updates on your topic. 9. Use synonyms or related terms. If your search results are too broad or irrelevant, try using synonyms or related terms to refine your search. If you are looking for workout routines but get too many results, try fitness plans or exercise schedules. 10. Experiment with different search engines. Not all search engines yield the same results. Google is dominant, but others like Bing, DuckDuckGo, or specialized search engines may give you unique results. Try searching the same term across multiple search engines to compare results. 11. Check the date of the information. Search results can include outdated information, especially for fast-changing topics like technology or current events. Look for a publication date or use search filters to display only the most recent content. 12. Refine results with Boolean operators and/or. Boolean operators help you combine terms more strategically. Cats and dogs will give you results that include both cats and dogs, while cats or dogs will give results related to either. 13. Use the related operator. If you find a page you like, you can use the related operator to find similar sites. Searching related:nytimes.com will give you other news sources similar to the New York Times. 14. Use define: for quick definitions. Want a quick definition of a word? Just type define: followed by the word. Define: serendipity will instantly provide the meaning of the word. 15. Practice patience and refine your search. Sometimes, the first set of results isn't what you need. Don't be afraid to tweak your search terms. Use filters or try different approaches to narrow it down. With these strategies in your toolkit, you'll be able to find anything online, fast and efficiently. Happy searching! And that's a wrap, friends. We've journeyed through the art of mastering search, unlocking the magic of the internet one tip at a time. Whether you are finding answers to big questions, discovering new passions, or simply navigating to the vast sea of information, remember, the world is at your fingertips. As you explore the digital universe, keep this in mind. The right question is the key that opens a world of answers. Never stop searching, never stop learning, and always stay curious. The possibilities are endless when you approach every search with magic and intention. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the magic with someone who needs it. Until next time, may your searches be swift, your answers be clear, and your path be illuminated with endless wonder. Stay inspired, stay magical, and happy searching.